Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to transfer USDT from Binance app to your kucoin application. So first click on deposit, then search for USDT, click on it and you come to this page. So as you can see up here, we've got several networks where you can use to transfer. Now on your Binance application, click on wallet, then click on USDT over here. And because we want to send USDT to kucoin, so we want to withdraw USDT from Binance, so click on withdrawal, and from here you can see that you need to fill in the address and you need to fill in the network, which is the ones that I showed you earlier, different networks to send money. If you click here, you can see all of them as previously, and you also have to fill in the amount of USDT you want to send. So now go back to your kucoin. As you can see, we are choosing network TRC20. Copy this address here, come back to your Binance and paste that address, and then we chose TRC20, so we're going to make sure that's TRC20 here as well. Click on this and confirm. Then enter the amount of USDT you want to send. For us, we're going to press max because we want to send the entire amount. And to know how much you're getting charged for the transaction, just look down here and it will tell you exactly how much you're getting charged. Today we're getting charged 1 USDT for this transaction. Let's go ahead and click withdrawal. In case you missed the details, here they are again. Go ahead and press confirm. Binance will then need you to verify, so they'll send you a code to your mobile number and to your email address. All you have to do is press send code. Then once you've received the codes, just paste them in the blanks. Once you're done, click on submit, and there you are, transaction completed. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and once again, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell for more videos.